G'day guys, my name's Dom and I'm so excited to join you today to talk about Zega Intelligent Cookware. I'm actually joined by Brian from Zega and he's going to tell us exactly how it works. Right, now I've got my Zega pot and I've downloaded the Zega app. I'm ready to go. Just exactly what is Zega and how does it work?
Thanks, Dom. Well, Zega is smart, app-enabled walkaway cookware that does the cooking for you. Simply choose a recipe from the app, prepare and add the ingredients to the pot, heat it up to the required temperature, then you switch off the stove and walk away. So while you relax and get on with your day, your food continues to cook off the stove without gas or electricity, and you return later to a nutritious, home-cooked meal that's ready to eat.
So Brian, tell me about this app.
With the Zega app, you can choose from delicious, chef-prepared recipes and remotely monitor your cooking, so you're no longer a slave to the kitchen.
So, Brian, tell me, what is the difference between Zega and, say, a slow cooker or an instant pot?
Slow cookers, instant pots, they're countertop electrical appliances that can be slow and quite complicated to use. Zega, on the other hand, is superior stovetop cookware that is incredibly easy to use and delivers great results every time. Also, it's probably the best conventional cookware you will ever own.
Oh, Brian, thank you so much. I cannot wait to get started. Folks, if you want to have delicious home-cooked meals every time without all the hassle, check out Zega Intelligent Cookware today.